border radius to this like 50%. So we'll get circularity shape there. And also I'm adding overflow like hidden, and then I'm putting border to this like 2 pixel its thickness or 5 pixel its thickness will be, and the weight will be solid and the color should be white. Okay. And also I'm gonna adding some position to this like relative. Position like relative. If I show you, yep, you can see it has got transformed beautifully. We are getting circularity shape, and also we are getting some border around to this image. Friends, this time I am gonna targeting this social media icon which is containing Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Okay, so it is available inside the class called social icons. Let's have a look. Here on the index page you can see we have a class called social icons. This social icons class is getting all the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn icon. So right now coming to the style.css, and very first I am calling the main class called about-me. Inside this we have a class called social icons. Okay, now I am putting some position to this like absolute, and also I'm gonna adding some bottom value like minus 15 pixel, and then I'm gonna adding some left and right like. Okay, so we are working for the social icons. Right now I am targeting the anchor link which is available with this social icons. So just I am copying this, sorry, so just I am copying this class from here and pasting here. Okay, and this time I am targeting the anchor link. This anchor link will be having some width, height, everything. Here I am putting width something around 45 pixel, height should be 45 pixel, again line height should be 41 pixel to align the things at the center, background should be white, and again I am putting some border to this like 2 pixels solid and its color will be white. This time we are putting some color to the font of the icon. Here I am putting 0b0b13. This is kind of bluish color. Okay, after this color I am putting text align center, border radius will be 50% obviously because we need circularity shape. Then I am putting a position relative. Okay, and again I'm going for the margin like top to right 0 and bottom to left will be 5 pixel, and then I'm gonna adding some transition value like is all, and then we have some transition duration like 0.35 second, and this time I'm putting some transform like a scale. So whenever we'll put our mouse pointer over there on the hover, we'll be getting the icon coming up slightly 1% scale. Okay, let's have a look. As you can see, all has got transformed beautifully. It's coming here, but we have to adjust all the icons just here. Okay, we have to put right here. So we'll be doing that. Coming back to the bracket again, and this time again I'm targeting the social icons already. Okay, now here we have the background. Okay, I'm just removing this background from here. I am putting some different types of background. So here I'm using hex color code like 0b0, and this will be having some different code. Friends, this time we have to adjust that. So this time I'm targeting the I tag. You can see we have the I tag, and we have to adjust all the icons which are coming inside the I tag. So what the code will be? Code will be social icons I. Okay, AI actually. Social icons AI, because social icons is getting a class, not class actually, getting an anchor link A, and also anchor link is containing I tag. That's why I'm putting I here. Here I'm putting line height something around inherit. Okay, and again I'm going for the pseudo property. So again I'm mentioning here social icons A, and on the anchor link I'm putting ns child 1. We have 5 different icons, so we will work for the 5 ns child. Okay, so here I'm putting top value something around minus 25 pixel. Now we'll keep duplicating it like 5 times. Okay, so just duplicating it only will change its numbering, and also I'm gonna working for some positioning. Okay, so this time I'm gonna adding 8 pixel. Again I'm gonna duplicating it. Okay, here I'm putting 4. As you can see, it is getting transformed. Yep, but the text color or the icon color is not gonna visible. Don't worry, I'll be making it visible. Now I'm adding some hover on the social icons. On the A, I am using hover. Here I am putting transform like a scale 1.1. Background should be white color. Oh, background I am just putting here yellow type. Now we have to work for the text. Okay, then I'll be working for this to adjust these social icons at the here. Coming back to the index page, and you can see we have a class called info. Okay, so this time I'm targeting this info class to put some gapping there. Okay, so what the code will be dot about me info, because this about me class is the main class. Okay, so coming to the style.css, mentioning here about dash me, and then I'm adding the class called info. Text align should be center, padding top something around 40 pixel, color like white, width should be 300 pixel, and then I'm adding margin left like 7%. Okay, now inside this we have the heading tag. You can see h3. Okay, so this time I'm targeting h3. Just make sure to copy this part from here, paste below here, and again I'm adding here h3. Inside the h3 I'm putting font weight something around 400, font size 30 pixel, and again I'm targeting the p tag which is coming there, which is containing the designation. Okay, so here I'm just removing this h3 to p tag, and this will be having some margin and font size again. So here I'm putting 16 pixel, and margin should be 0. Margin should be 0. Okay, friends, right now I'm just adjusting this icons at the hair, and also will fix this. Okay, first I'll be changing its color. Here I am removing this because we don't need here. You can see we have the about me class is just closing here, then info is starting, so we don't need to call this about dash me class to this class. It will never gonna apply. Okay, so I am removing this about me from here, and also you can see we have the about dash me info right here. We don't need here again. Okay, if I show you, then we'll get definitely the color, everything there. Have a look. See, we are getting the text, and then we are getting the designation and the name aligned beautifully. Just we have to fix these icons. Okay, so as you can see we have social icons anchor link. Okay, very first I'm changing the color to the white, and also I'm putting some margin top value like minus 160 pixel. Yep, friends, you can see it's got applied beautifully, and also hover is working nicely. You can even decrease its margin top property. Right now we have to work for this title. Okay, you can see this title is getting some dark color, and also we have to put some background to this. So for that I'll be using some pseudo property. We have a class called title, inside that we have available this. Okay, first I'm decreasing its margin. Okay, now coming to the index page, and you can see we have our title here, biography, inside the heading tag. Friends, right now we have to work for the title. You can see we have a biography. It is coming inside the heading tag like h3, and we have a main class called title. Okay, so right now we have to target this title to change its font family and all. Okay, so here I am changing its color. Very first I am putting text white, which is the class from the bootstrap which makes the text as a white color if you put this code like text white. Okay, now we have to work for this part as well, like info list. This info list is containing the personal details. Okay, so coming back to the style.css, right now I am just calling the main class called info list, and inside this we have a very first I'm putting some color to this. Okay, and also I'm gonna adding some padding top to this. So just mentioning here padding top something around 15 pixel, and also I'm gonna adding some color to this like white. Now we have to work for the another selector which is coming inside the info list. So we have another selector that is ul, after that we have li, and after that we have label. Okay, so right now I'm just calling there. Okay, I am mentioning here info list. Okay, inside this I'm just putting ul. This will be having some margin, padding, and also I'm putting some list style none because we have to remove all the bullets or the decoration from there. That's why I'm putting list style none. Right now I'm targeting the li which is coming inside the ul tag. So just here I'm putting li. This will be having some padding, like top to right will be 4 pixel and rest bottom to left like 0. Okay, now this time we have to work for the label which is containing the name, like name and designation and date of birth is everything. So right now I'm just mentioning a label. Okay, and again we have to put some color, and also I'm gonna adding some margin property like 0, and then font weight 400 and padding right 10 pixel. If I show you, friends, you can see it has got adjusted beautifully. So in this class we have created this beautiful design called about me. Now this time we have to change its font family. Okay, so just coming back to the bracket, and there we need to find its main class. There I'll be applying all the font family. Okay, so we have a main class right here that is called container, that is called about. So right now I'm just coming to the style.css. This is the id. So here I am putting id. For putting the id, I am putting has and about. This is the id name. Here I am putting font family like Poppins, and another font is sans serif. Yep, you can see it has got adjusted and it is looking cool, isn't it? All the fonts have got changed. So friends, in this class we have created this beautiful section called about me, which is containing the image, social media icons. I hope you enjoyed it.